Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to some more Dead by Daylight. We got some killer gameplay for you featuring the man himself, Michael Myers, aka Deep Breathing. And today we are going to be running the Scratched Mirror build, aka Jump Scare Myers, stuff like that. It's, everyone probably has gone up against it at one point or another. It's just not the greatest build, unless you get like a decent map, and I'm dumb and I don't even have map offerings, so kind of an issue there. But it's just essentially using two add-ons, and then I guess really only one perk you really need to have to kind of like help you out in it. But yeah, ran out of Scratched Mirrors on here, but I do have one on the Blood Web, so I'll read it to you right here. So Evil Within 1 reveals Survivor's aura when stalking within a 32-meter range. You can't go past Tier 1, and for each hit score event, you get 100% blood points for the hit score in the Brutality category, and an additional 200% in the Deviousness category. So basically makes it to where you can't tier up at all in Myers, but you can see through walls from 32 meters away, which is really good. And then you pair this usually with I like Boyfriend's Memo, which slightly increases the lunge range of Evil Within 1. I've seen other people run it with like the tacky earrings, but that's not the greatest, to be honest, to like get around the map and just be able to see things. But you pretty much always want Boyfriend's Memo. And then for the perks, we're just going to be running Ruin to stop generator progress if people get off of the gens. It really helps us out. Sloppy Butcher gives the hemorrhage a status effect, and it's good to have people injured in this build because you can't really do well in chase. Then one that really you kind of do need on this is Play with Your Food. So when you obviously have an obsession on there, so every time you chase your obsession and let them escape, you receive a token up to maximum of 3. I honestly thought it was 4, but I'm stupid. So each token will increase your move speed by 5%, and performing a basic attack or special attack spends 1 token. So then you will actually go down. So you can have a maximum 15% increased move speed on there, which Myers does need help because his lunge is very, very bad. And then I'm running Bitter Murmur just for a little bit more information to see where people are going so I can get over to the side of the map and stalk them, which lets me see their auras within 16 meters of a gen that has been completed for 5 seconds. And then when the final gen is repaired, all auras are revealed for 10 seconds. So it's basically just like a jump scare build. It's not the strongest by any means, and I probably don't have the greatest perks. I don't play too much Michael Myers, but it's always fun to run. I hope you will enjoy the games, a little bit of memery, and we should be live on Twitch as this goes up, so make sure you go and tune into that, twitch.tv/Tony, and let's go ahead and get into the games. All right, we got ourselves Midwich, which is where I sent us. We'll see what we can do. There's the thing about it, we might lose, but at the end of the day, it's all about scaring the survivors, right? Because Dead by Daylight, they say it's a horror game, but is it really a horror game? Not really, no. There's only a few things that really do scare the shit out of me in this, and Scratched Mirror Myers is definitely one of them. I'm hidden from view. Oh, there's a guy down. Wait. But anyways, yes, Scratched Mirror Myers is terrifying. But then so is Amanda's Letter Pig. But I would say, in general speaking, probably more terrifying. Oh, nice. Probably more terrifying is this man because of his just absolute stature. Now, however, his chase is not the greatest in this form. The other Nia is my obsession. Okay. I think I get it. Oh, nice, dead hard. I blocked her. I'm insane. I've won the video game. We do have Ruin, which is nice. I could take Noed, but I'm not a stinky boy, so I didn't take it. Oh, I see you. Greetings, sire! Would you care to learn about our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ? Quentin, please. Quentin, please. He has dead hard. 1,000%. The only thing that sucks is that... No, he doesn't. Okay. The thing that sucks about this build is the lunging is not the greatest, which is why we have the other add-on to make the lunges a bit better. That man had to have shit his pants. That would, yeah. Many a times, okay, please stop. I'm gonna let her get away. Because she is my play with my food stack. Nice. We are moving faster. The self-carrying is quite the strategy, Quentin, we'll say. Does he have decisive strike is the question. No, he does not. He just made a dumb idea. Sir, if you could please leave that, even though you're not a sir, but could you please leave it? Oh, I am just farming her. Hello, Steven! Hi, Nia. Thanks for the play with your food stacks. Appreciate these. She's just staying in here. She is dumb. Oh, man, this is funny. I'm gonna be moving fast as fuck. You just watch. Where's the other one? Let me get this one. Oh, man, that's pretty funny. Dude, they are doing gens, though, let me tell you. This is fucking funny, though. I don't know if she's aware of what's going on, but it's funny. Now, it looks like I'm camping the hook, it really does. But this Neo won't leave. Do you I don't think they understand what play with your food is. Hi, Nia. Don't worry about me. Just losing chase real quick. Really? Do we not? I thought you could have 4 play with your food stacks. I could be dumb. I wouldn't say it would be the first time that I was stupid. Classic. Classic. Love it. I'm sorry. I'm being an asshole. I really should just... I'm just going to leave one on the ground. I'm being a dick.
Stop! You violated the law.
I honestly don't know if she knows what she's doing. I can't see the other Nia. So I'm not sure where she is. She is just... That is a strategy. Confusion. Visible. This is not what you want to do. This is not what you want to do, lady. I'd keep running. Yep. I lost like 87,000 frames right there. This is a free hit for me. We'll break this. Classic. Oh, nice play. Wow, she didn't vault it. I thought she... Oh, God. Alright, questionable decision. Oh, I like your pants, though. Pretty nice color. Oh, they broke my ruin. Nia. I don't know if, like, if people understand, like, play with your food is a thing, and then they're just toxic. Shitting with the moonwalk and Myers a little bit. Ma'am, please leave this generator.
Then pay with your blood.
Alright, she's gonna fake it again. Oh, nice. Good play, good play. I lost my play with my food stack, so I'm gonna actually leave her. And then look at these other gens. Because we haven't gotten any kills. I was kind of being a dick, and then I was kind of being nice. I don't know if they think. They must know. They've got the vision. Quentin? Alright, goodbye, Quentin. Classic. Let's pick him up real quick. Alright, they have that gen done, but at what cost? But at what cost? They're doing something over there. The thing is, I can just kind of posture these exit gates. Alright, we got the swamp, which sounds honestly terrible for this build, but I didn't have any map offering, so you rest in peace me. Claudette! Please! Come here! I want to sell you something. She's so much faster than me. I don't even make that because of how bad the Scratch Mirror is. God, it makes you so slow. Hi, Nancy. Oh. She didn't... Oh! Alright, she kept running this way. See if we hit her with the old cutoff Aru. Alright. Alright. We're big braining. We're big braining. Psych! That's the wrong number! Who the fuck is... That's a... True? True, I see you, Nancy. It's just fun to fucking meme around with this build. Even if you don't, like, win, just giving the jump scares is always fun. This one's gonna be hard because this map is, like, super big. Okay, that's... Why do people do gens in this game? It's kind of cringe. Imagine. Imagine. Okay, thank the Lord. So the key to this build is just kind of injuring people. And that's what we're going for. Too bad I don't fucking hit that, though. She has a brain. Alright, I'm gonna let her go because she's my obsession. Is this Chase yet? Okay, it is Chase. There we go. Okay, so now we're actually moving. Oh, the whole squad's here, huh? Nancy, get the fuck out of the way. Alright, so we get a hit here, actually. Which is nice. Finally. I'm gonna run above her. I think this should... Oh my god. I think she's confused. She has confusion. Michael Myers used confusion. Very effective. Dead hard? No dead hard? Okay, well, there's 2 gens left, and I have 2 hooks. So, theoretically, this is awful. Come on, Nancy Wheelbarrow. Let's go. Take me for a ride. I'm gonna break this pallet, because I think it could be an issue. I didn't think she saw me. But it's okay. Because now we get a stack, and we can be a bitch now. I think Claudette got a little bit scared there. That was not hook camping, that was tactically waiting. Don't talk to me. Alright, you're not invited to my birthday party, shut up. I think it just sucks so much about this is looping. Oh, Nancy Wheel. That's fine, we can hook her. We can hook her and then try to find Yunjin again to keep getting more play with your food stacks. Alright, I just saw some... Oh, they're staying on. You're cracked on the sticks, Claudette. Nice. I'm surprised that worked out well. I think she thought the pallet was still there and I didn't break it. So I'm going to say that's, we're going to chalk one up to Lucker Dog. So this one's still regressing. We go over to this yen. Actually, I'm going to take this way. In case anyone's by. Ah, Yunjin, you have become tree. I see. This is fine. Yes, the amount of play with your food is great. Hello, hello, hello. We get that. If she's still back here, then this is just great. I'm just going to get another one. Don't mind me, Yunjin. And then we just kind of keep resetting this. Nice dead hard. She's running into me. Ouch. Pain. Suffering. Question is if Nancy stayed on here. She did not. I do have wall hacks, you know. It does make things relatively easy in that regard. They're going for it, damn. You guys are insane. Insane gamers. What is this, looping with friends? I respect it. Alright, so Yunjin's over here for sure. You weren't expecting that one, were you, Yunjin? Nice. I have to hook her super fast, and then go back to that other gen. Well, now that that's a thing, that's sad. What she don't know about the bitter murmur won't hurt her. I think we actually make this. Because Nancy... I am faster than. If only I... Dude, if I had Blood Warden right now, oh my god, the profit. I'm just gonna sit here, and if they want to just stand in there, then that'd be hilarious if they come out. I'm just... They're pretty much home free, but I just think this would be funny. You could have your altruism points. Yeah, they just dip the fuck out. Yes, I can see you. Oh. She's not... She can't even see me. She's just preemptively waiting. Which is very funny. All right, everybody. I'll check in with you guys more at 11. Oh my god, we're getting 360s now. Bad moonwalks. But the teabagging has subsided, and she has left the game. GG's. Alright, we have Grim Pantry. Oh, this really sucks not having map offerings, but you know, that's me for you. It's alright. I don't actually really care if I win games or not. It's just funny to do. This is the long con, and I'm here for it. That was the absolute most unnecessary thing I've ever done. Hello, Elodie. The fuck kind of movement? Let's see which way she goes. She's going up towards Shack. I don't think I can even cut her off. She dead-hearted? So, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave because she dead-hearted. This person's got a flashlight. Hello, Meg. Nice to see you. We're getting the injures. This is what we need. This is what we need in life. I'm gonna leave the Meg. Go back to the Elodie. Try to... Hello! It's an awkward strategy. And this is fine. I'm just gonna go pick her up now. I like this Elodie outfit, though. It's pretty nice. Please tell me she came back, though, to try to go for a flashlight save. That'd be hilarious. Alright, we are heading over here because this person was injured and just fucking running. Hello, Claudette. This just sucks because of how slow I am. That was lucky. Any lucker dogs in chat? Okay, there is a hook here. I was about to say, these hooks are kind of fucking few and far in between. I've spotted a survivor. Ouch. Pain. Feelings. Alright, we're heading back over here. There's a nice hit there. Elodie. We do that, and then we break this pallet. And that should give us play with your food. Hi, Claudette. She's in the basement. She's a dumbass. You ever been so scared in your life, Yui? When you're in the basement looking for an item, perhaps. Hi, Meg. No one is safe when I'm around, to be honest. This is... Oh, it's funny. She's the only one with the flashlight, so I don't have to worry about anything from her. This could be dirty if I was to stay down here. I'll side hook her, actually. Respectfully, Elodie, stop that. Where'd the other chick go? Ah, Yui. Yui've made a mistake. I don't know if she has that hard. If she doesn't, then I have this. All right, very nice. Keeping them injured is just so terrifying. Excuse me? Holy shit. It's so terrifying because you never know what's going to happen. And even when you are injured, I mean, Spine Chill is literally your best friend if you're going up against this build. Which is why I usually run Spine Chill, just because it's like one of my favorite perks. Oh, hello, Claudette. Claudette. You've made a mistake. I haven't gotten too many play with your food stacks. I really just wanted to, in this one, try a little bit more and actually get kills. You know, with the memeing as well. They're most definitely going to try and heal up. Which is going to it just makes my job longer. Oh! Interesting. It's alright. We get this. Run away, please. That was a waste of time, Melody. I wanted to just take the play with your food stack and then go, but I think this is only her second hook, so I should be fine. The Yui is still injured. Never mind, the Yui is no longer injured. And we're doing a much better job at keeping our gens good. All right, we got a couple of... We put her there, and then we go back after the Claudette. The Claudette is probably going to be our first victim, unfortunately. She is our first victim. Sorry, Timmy. You tried. You really did. But only the afterlife awaits you. Honestly, we could have a gnarly 3-gen. It's alright. I've befriended this Yui. I quite like her, actually. Meg, you think that's gonna... I don't know. I feel like sometimes people really just don't understand what this build is. It literally is wall hacks. I'm sorry, it's literally just wall hacks. God damn it. She's being chill. She's being chill. It's cool. I'll just vibe with her. I respect it. You can live for a little bit longer. I kind of want to 4K them because I haven't really been getting 4Ks, but I wish there was a different angle to approach from. I really do. All right, now we do this. Get the chase off. Come on, game. Thank you. Oh, nice play. We'll pretend like we did that on purpose so that we can get another play with your food stack. Never mind. I guess we're not going to get to play with your food stack. That might be rude, but I don't know. I feel as if I've created a bond with this gamer. I think it would be rude at this point. I think I've led them on too much. It'd be rude. Oh my god. Don't stare at me like that. No. No, get away. Alright, no. You can wiggle. I want to see the wiggle animation. I want to see the wiggle. Yes, very nice. That's what I like to see. All right, GG's. That's going to do it for the video, guys. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, appreciate if you dropped a like, comment, and maybe even subbed on it if you did, and give other recommendations in the comments of you know, what you want to see next and everything. I just haven't had too many ideas with Survivor stuff lately. I still like Survivor more, but I just can't really think of any fun ideas rather than just play Survivor and run around the killer. But we'll get to some stuff like that eventually. As you can see, I mean, I wasn't really going too hard in the first few games. Even the last game, I could have had a 4K, but I just didn't do it. This one's just more of just a try to jump scare people as much as possible, and I think we did our job there pretty effectively. So I'll just thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one, guys. Peace.